Trump declared it finished today. He posted that the final coat of protection would be completed at 4 p.m. and that the water would start flowing shortly thereafter. This is the second time he has declared it done. We're just wondering how many times a finished project gets finished. The contractor has other plans. Atlantic Industrial Coatings, the company that built it, released a statement the same day. They identified some areas that require repairs. They will return once the pool is drained again, as part of the contract. The president says it's done. The builder says they're coming back. We're just wondering which one to believe. Let's be clear about what just happened. 4 p.m. today, Trump declares the reflecting pool complete. Same day, the contractor confirms repairs are still needed. This is not a timeline dispute. This is not a political argument. This is two statements made on the same day that cannot both be true. We're just wondering which one is accurate. There's something else in the water. Algae. Healing paint. A white substance being pumped in with no public explanation. And now, dead ducks. The pool sits on the National Mall. 24 million visitors a year. No official statement has been made about the ducks. We're just wondering what a water quality test would show right now. What is being pumped into the pool? AP photographers captured it this morning. A white substance pumped directly into the reflecting pool. No official explanation provided. Hydrogen peroxide was used previously to kill algae. Is that what this is? Something else. The public has a right to know what's going into a public landmark. We're just wondering why no one said. Why are Oklahoma State Troopers at a D.C. pool? National Guard, U.S. Marshals, and now, Oklahoma State Troopers patrolling the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool. A man was arrested Monday, not for touching the pool, for yelling at the Oklahoma Troopers. I was yelling at them because they're here, he told NBC. 14 police reports, 5 arrests, 5 citations. That's the official tally as of today. But here's what we don't know. What specific damage is each arrest tied to? What evidence supports each charge? How many arrests are for touching material that was already detached? How many are for actual vandalism? Numbers without evidence aren't accountability. We're just wondering what's in those 14 police reports. Read that statement again. Atlantic Industrial Coatings said they identified areas requiring repairs. They will return to fix them as part of the contract. Not because of vandalism. Not because of protesters. As part of the contract. That means the repairs were anticipated. That means the work wasn't finished. We're just wondering if this was ever going to hold. So where are we? $16 million. 2 no-bid contracts. 2 declarations of completion. Algae. Healing paint. Dead ducks. A white substance with no explanation. Out-of-state law enforcement. 14 police reports. A contractor coming back to finish what they said was finished. And still, no public release of the vandalism evidence. The question isn't who to blame. The question is, where is the proof? We're just wondering.